Hey Kingsville, let's talk budget, specifically the relationship between property values and property tax. Property taxes are based on your home's value, which is assessed by MPAC. What you might not know is that an increase in your home's value doesn't necessarily mean that your taxes will go up. To explain, let's take a look at how your property taxes are calculated. Imagine there's a town that only has 3 homes, and they're each worth a different amount. The total cost to provide all of the town's services is $1,200. This is collected through property taxes. Each homeowner pays property taxes based on their home's assessed value. So, we take the total cost of services and divide it by the total property value. This tax rate is applied to all the houses to get enough money to pay for the town's services. Each homeowners pay according to the assessed value of their home, and every 4 years, the houses are reassessed. Let's say all 3 properties have gone up equally in value. The total cost of services hasn't changed, but the total property value has increased. When this happens, there would be a decrease in the tax rate. Notice when we apply that new rate on all of the homes, everyone still pays the same. Now let's say another 4 years have gone by and these homes are reassessed again. During this time, the house on the right is reassessed at a higher value due to enhancements on their property. For example, the homeowner adds an in-ground pool. The total value of all the homes has increased, which means the town has to calculate a new tax rate. With this new tax rate, the first 2 homes will actually pay less than the house on the right that was reassessed at a higher value. Since the cost of services hasn't changed, the town doesn't need to collect more property taxes on the whole. However, since property taxes are based on a home's value, taxes for each individual home could potentially go up or down based on the rest of the homes. So what happens when the cost to provide services goes up? Let's go back to our original assessments of our 3 properties in the town. If services increase, then the town's budget will increase, which in turn means the tax levied on the town will increase. Let's assume that the new taxes to be collected are now $1,300. It means more property taxes need to be collected from every home and a new tax rate is calculated. To get the new rate, we take the amount that the town now needs and divide it by all property values. The new rate is applied to all of the homes, and now everyone has to pay the new tax amount to continue to fund the town's services. Since all of the homes' assessments did not change, everyone's share of the tax levy increases proportionally. So, let's recap. Property taxes are based on the assessed value of a home. If all assessments go up equally, everyone pays the same. If all assessments do not go up equally, there's a redistribution of the tax. If the town's cost to provide services increases, the municipality may choose to increase the tax rate. When this happens, everyone pays their share of that increase. And that explains the relationship between property value and property taxes.